I'm going to show you a new way to clean your camera sensor. So the first step is to spot if you have some dust on your camera sensor. So you will take a photo of the blue sky on infinity and the diaphragm close to the maximum. Then you will import the photo in Lightroom or Camera Raw or Photoshop. So first you're going to augment the DAs and the clarity on the photo. Then add more light, add more contrast until you see clearly all the spots on your image. If you never cleaned your sensor or if you cleaned it a really long time ago, there will be a lot of dust on it. So as you can see, there is a lot of dust everywhere. So to clean my sensor, I'm going to use the Eyelead Gel Stick. So it's basically a piece of gel on a stick. The gel stick is going to take the dust out of the sensor and put it on the sticky tape. So once I did it on my smaller camera, I went directly to clean my full frame sensor. And you will see that the first photo I took was with my full frame. So you see all the dust that was collected on the sensor. And after the cleaning, you will see a really impressive difference. So after I put back the lens, I took another photo of the sky. On the first photo, you saw that the sensor was covered with dust. After the cleaning, you can see there is just 7 or 8 spots of dust left on the sensor. So it removed a lot of dust, almost everything. So I was really impressed by this product. I'm not being paid by them to say it's great. I saw some people were really afraid to put some gel on the sensor, but for me it's nonsense. It works perfectly. I saw absolutely no problem with the sensor after that. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to know when my new videos will be out.